Hello, and welcome to Exactly What It Sounds Like Theatre. I'm J. Gordon Poppycock. Today's short film is a timely portrayal of the anguish brought about by an overreaching government spiraling out of control. The third production by renowned Bhutanese filmmaker Tobgay Wangchuck, this film is a shocking condemnation of American domestic policy and the desperate struggles of the American middle classes as they await the return of that which is rightfully theirs. With promotional considerations provided by Dark Side Skittles, the Independent Film Network and Meishu Meishu Pictures proudly present No Tax Return Today. Absolutely mesmerizing. Tune in next week as we preview one of the year's most controversial films, Kicked in the Nuts Twice. Good night. Fancy a nightcap, Petunia?